You know, there's a lot to be said about having a peace of mind of making the right decision. My name is Daniel Franklin. I'm here from Chelsea Building Products on Everlast Advanced Composite Siding, manufactured by Chelsea Building Products. I'm sitting here today with a good friend and a partner in crime for Team Everlast, Kyle Terringer. Kyle's out there building great relationships and working to help folks make the right decision. Kyle, glad you could join us.
Thanks for the opportunity today, Daniel. Appreciate you giving me this time to speak. Little background about Sherwood. We are an exterior building product distributor in the Northeast, and we're just happy and excited to partner up with Everlast and discuss some of the key points today.
So let me give you a little bit of Everlast trivia. So Everlast has actually been being put on homes since 2009, so approximately 12 years across all of North America. So with that, we also are manufactured in the great USA, down in Oakmont, Pennsylvania, and it's just outside of Pittsburgh. So yeah, we've been around here since 1975.
Wow. I mean, you guys say Everlast is the best kept secret in the industry. I mean, the secret's out. I mean, this stuff is light enough for one person to handle. It doesn't require any leveling brackets whatsoever. So, I mean, in fact, each course stacks on the previous course. And it's very simple. It actually just moves very fast throughout the work site. No caulks required for any of the seams. No touch-up paint required for any of the cut edges. No backflashing for any of the butt ends, right? So on top of saving the expense for buying those products, now the laborer actually doesn't have to spend time and go back and actually do that type of project. They can finish their project much quicker than normal.
And again, Everlast, I mean, it's a unique story. It's a really cool story, actually, because our manufacturing facility is a one-stop shop as far as manufacturing. We design the product,
right?
We develop the product, we manufacture the product. We make all of our tools and equipment to produce the product. There's so much technology advancement as far as the material composition. That's what gives you the ability of not having that expansion contraction.
Sure.
And also, you don't have to worry about moisture.
Yeah, I mean, and that's
moisture.
that's a common threat that a lot of people are talking about, right? When they're trying to pick out what's right for their home. I mean, we're here.
Exactly.
We're on a beautiful river, but I mean, I'm sure that there's some issues with moisture control. So the fact that you guys hit that nail on the head and kind of check that box is very big.
What tells a homeowner or a contractor builder, say, Everlast is what I want?
I mean, I think we'll have to go back to kind of what you said in the beginning with peace of mind. You know, we know that Everlast is a gorgeous product. We know that it presents itself nicely with the graining. We know that it's offered in various array of colors, you know, from light to dark. But at the end of the day, I know that the product that I picked today is going to look the same in decades to come. When you finish out a project and you could come back and say that it's warranted for a lifetime, right? Everlast is warranted for a lifetime. That's beautiful.
Right. So that's key here is, one, you have a product, features and benefits that really, that's what people want to gravitate to, is something that's going to perform for decades to come.
Yeah.
But also we back that with a warranty. Today we've been given another great Everlast opportunity to work with pro consejos at their dream casa at the Hudson River. So we actually were able to support the team in this project with our 7-inch plank in our color Storm Gray. And with that, I mean, this is going to be a awesome opportunity, and we appreciate the team allowing us to come here and do this, and us also be able to display our product on this home. So Kyle and I have also been given the opportunity to relax here on the deck with the Hudson River behind us. Don't tell anybody at home. We want to toast pro consejos, and I know you brought some beer here, actually, with Sherwood on it, so it's a little
volatility kiln dried lager.
Nice. The only thing I wish we had was a cigar to go with it.
Right here, there's a cigar.
Well, thank you,
You're
Caesar.
welcome.
You know what? How about we pop a top? we're going to enjoy the rest of the afternoon here on the Hudson River. And cheers.
Cheers.
Y recuerden, la casa de nuestros sueños es su casa.